What's up everyone, this is your naturalist Harris Brooker here, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to identify a frog orchid. Stay tuned. So it's quite an inconspicuous plant of the grassland. It's very short. In fact, if I put my hand there you'll see just how small it is. But it's it looks sort of a bit like ticker tape, I suppose. The bracts give that impression of it being almost snake-like, I suppose, or rather, bit. I suppose you could liken it to a tongue, maybe like a frog's tongue. And the flowers are reddish, and they come out from these bracts. And then you can see it's got a leaf on the stem, quite linear, and then it's got some basal leaves, quite flat basal leaves, ovate you could say. But it's quite an intricate plant. It's around from about June till September. Had great difficulty finding it. Like I say, it's not a particularly easy plant to find, but it's quite common throughout Britain. It's just one needs to get their eye in for it. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the like button. And if you have any other species requests you'd like me to do, detail them in the comments below. As I say guys, I'm also going to India this year, so hopefully I'll have some good footage for you then. But until next time, this is Harris Brooker signing off. Life is good. And here's another frog orchid, this one in slightly better condition, I think. Look at that.